Okay, so first off, for those of you who do not know, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. So think of it as like gold, but instead of being able to physically hold it in your hand, it exists digitally on the internet. As you can see in this chart here, the price has just gone up and up, and there's a lot of speculation with it for if it's going to crash, if it's a bubble, but all I know is that I've watched the price just continue to go up. Every time I think that it can't go up any higher, it just keeps going. So what is the purpose of Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a payment system that takes place between users directly through the use of cryptography without an intermediary. So instead of using something like PayPal or transferring money between banks, you could simply just point to someone's Bitcoin address and send them currency directly across the Bitcoin network. The first thing you want to do before you start to invest in cryptocurrency is do some research. Just by simply doing some Googling for Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you can start to understand it better so you know what you're getting yourself into. Cryptocurrency, for those who did not know, is a digital asset that is used to make secure transactions, and it is a decentralized currency and has no third-party involvement. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and it really is what started this whole movement back in 2009. But since then, there are tons of different cryptocurrencies out there. If you go to Crypto Compare, one of my favorite websites, and go to coins, you can see the value for a lot of the different cryptocurrencies out there. So do your research, go to this website and look at the changes in value. You can click on any of these coins and look at charts for them to see how much they've went up and down over time to know when the right time is to invest in it. And if you look at these charts, you can find out, what the best time to invest in the currency is. Sometimes some of them have a low point at midnight and maybe they peak at 11 o'clock in the morning. So just do as much research as you can, figure out what currencies you want to invest in, and really have a good understanding of the price you're buying it at. So know if you're buying it at a high price or a fair lower price. Like I mentioned in the last video, Crypto Compare is a great website to look at pricing for coins. So if you go to the website and go to the coins tab, you'll get a listing of the different cryptocurrencies out there. I usually go to USD top list to see what the best coins are that are out there based on their US dollar value. And this is as close as you're going to get from real time. As you can see, there's a trade column so that every time there's a trade, it's being updated and it'll show you a difference up or down based on the last 24 hours. By default, it's sorted based on volume, so the more volume, I guess you could think of, the better potential that the coin has. Bitcoin, of course, is going to be number one. Bitcoin Cash is the newer one. Ethereum is a really good one to invest in, as well as Litecoin. What I like to do is I go through and look at the changes in the 24-hour mark, and that tells me what's really growing. So, for example, XMR here was actually like 7th on the list earlier today, but if you looked at the growth rate, it's really starting to pick up. So this would have been a good one to see, okay, in the last 24 hours it's went up 20%, maybe I should invest in it because it's obviously on a big rise. And you'd be surprised, sometimes you'll come in here and you'll find currencies that have went up 100% in the last 24 hours. So definitely take some time to look through here, and you don't have to invest thousands of dollars. I mean, there's some pretty cheap cryptocurrencies out here, even in the top 20, that you can invest pennies in, and you could put $100 into one of these stocks, and if it happens to go up 100%, then you're going to make a decent amount of money. Right now, August 2017, Bitcoin, Ethereum, really the top 5 on here are all good ones to invest in. Bitcoin's the only one that's been really skyrocketing, and I guess Bitcoin Cash had some moments for the most part, the other ones are still good investments, but they act more like stocks when Bitcoin has been just insane. It can go up easily $100, $200 within an hour, so you really got to pay attention to it.